Bafana Bafana is the number one team in Africa currently, and there's no other national team that is coming close to them. And they stand a very, very good chance to win, actually, the AFCON in December. Talking about tactical discipline and technical ability, maybe the only national team that come close to them is in Morocco. Probably Morocco. The Algeria, the Egyptians, the Senegalese, they can try, but they are not close to South Africa. Talent-wise, South Africa, regardless of good, they don't have majority of players abadlala Europe. These are local players. 90% of the squad is local players. Synergy and understanding comes there that they are all from local based team, and in majority about they are playing for Mamelodi Sundowns and the Orlando Pirates. So that makes them a formidable team in terms of understanding and synergy, and they know the weaknesses and strengths of one another. Structure sabo, including the bench lakhona. There's no other national team that comes close to Bafana Bafana. Right now, Bafana Bafana is the best national team corner in Africa. Now, if you disagree, subscribe. If you agree, subscribe. Let me hear your opinion in the comment section. But currently, Bafana Bafana is the number one team in Africa. And Joba Siagu World Cup next year. I'm taking a leave next year, June, July, to make sure that I cover each and every game that Bafana Bafana is going to play in the World Cup. Not only Bafana Bafana, but every team that is there. All 10 teams, especially from Africa, need to cover each and every game from those teams, because we need to make sure that we support the teams from Africa. Let alone the fact that I'm saying Bafana Bafana is the best national team currently in Africa, and there's no one coming close to them. Probably Morocco can go pound to pound with the Bafana Bafana, but I don't see them beating Bafana Bafana. There are other good teams though. But what makes Bafana Bafana the best team is the technical discipline, the technical ability, the synergy and understanding. He talented corner South Africa, but none Bafana Bafana South Africa, and also his structure. Knowing that the majority of these players are playing for the same teams in Africa, even if they weren't playing for the same teams, but they are playing in the same league. The understanding, there's no other national team that has the understanding of the players one to another as much as the Bafana Bafana. So right now, whether you like it or not, Bafana Bafana is the number one national team that Africa has. Number 2 in Morocco. I don't care if they put it number 10 in the FIFA World Rankings.